Hiccup! Flip, he had a hiccup that he just could not escape. From the upper of his throat down to the lower of his nape. He opened up his mouth, and then it started to escape, but then he sneezed, and then he coughed and started in to ache. He worried so about it, both in morning and in night. He thought about his body, and he knew it wasn't right. If bottled up inside him, it could give him such a fright. And what if he exploded? Well, he thought that he just might. Friends, now, don't you worry. There is nothing you should fear. That hiccup traveled round inside for better than a year. And when it finally happened, well, he shed a happy tear. Although his major worry now, it came out of his ear.